Welcome back, supercar enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Lamborghini 2025 model. Lamborghini, known for its powerful engines and iconic designs, is taking things to the next level with the upcoming release. Let's explore what makes this 2025 model a game-changer and the world of luxury performance cars. Revolutionary design. The future of elegance. The 2025 Lamborghini introduces a stunning, futuristic design that blends cutting-edge aerodynamics with Lamborghini's signature bold lines. The sleek silhouette is sharper, more aggressive, and includes advanced lightweight materials like carbon fiber, ensuring both speed and efficiency. Expect new, more dynamic body shapes and a modernized front grille, along with innovative lighting elements that set this model apart from anything seen before. Hybrid powertrain. Performance meets sustainability. In keeping with the automotive industry's shift towards sustainability, Lamborghini's 2025 model will feature a state-of-the-art hybrid powertrain. This hybrid system combines the thrill of a naturally aspirated V12 engine with electric motors to deliver exceptional horsepower and torque, while reducing emissions. The result, a car that's just as thrilling to drive but significantly more eco-conscious. Advanced interior. Technology meets comfort inside. Lamborghini has redefined luxury. The 2025 model comes with a high-tech digital cockpit featuring a customizable infotainment system, advanced connectivity, and even augmented reality displays. The cabin will be adorned with premium leather, fine stitching, and futuristic accents, making it both comfortable and visually stunning. And don't worry, the racing-inspired seats and controls will ensure the driver feels right at home on any track. Enhanced performance, speed, agility, and control. When it comes to performance, Lamborghini never disappoints. The 2025 model boasts improved suspension systems, state-of-the-art braking technology, and active aerodynamics for enhanced stability and precision. Whether you're on the open road or hitting the racetrack, the 2025 Lamborghini is engineered to provide a smooth, exhilarating ride that remains unmatched by competitors. Conclusion. The ultimate supercar experience. In conclusion, the Lamborghini 2025 model is a bold and revolutionary step forward, combining extreme performance with sustainable technology and futuristic design. Lamborghini continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive world, ensuring that the 2025 model will be a must-have for car enthusiasts and collectors alike. Stay tuned for the official release and get ready for a ride into the future of supercars. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the Lamborghini 2025 and other exciting car releases.